If you own an e-commerce brand, local business, or B2B company, and your site is already bringing in traffic, but you aren't getting the conversions you're looking for, you do not have a traffic problem. You have a conversion problem. The fact of the matter is most businesses are throwing away thousands, even hundreds of thousands in unrealized revenue because they don't have a converting landing page or website, which is why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we use our optimized sale framework to boost your site's conversions by at least 10% in the next 20 days, guaranteed. So if increasing your sales and revenue without spending more money on ads or relying on referrals sounds interesting, make sure you watch this entire video. But first, before we get into the actual framework we will use, who am I? My name is Alex Momeni, and I'm the founder here at Convert Sale. I've been building websites and Shopify stores for the past 10 years, and in our years of operation, we have helped over 50 business owners build highly optimized landing pages and websites to convert them more traffic. We constantly have clients coming back to us and continue to see more and more success working together. Just recently, we helped an e-commerce brand named Snugmellow double their site conversions within only 7 days of launching their new product page. And we don't just do e-commerce. We also have extensive experience building landing pages and websites for local businesses and B2B companies as well, like First American Solar, who we helped get 3 new solar installations in just 4 weeks of working together, or Nexacore IT, who I helped achieve more sales calls within 3 weeks as a result of the page we built them. When trying to get more customers and increase their revenue, most business owners struggle with one main thing, and that's converting their website traffic into paying customers. So to solve that issue, they try everything from testing new ads to changing their product prices, the copy. But regardless, they still only see incremental, if any, increases in the amount of traffic they're converting into actual customers. And that's because they don't have a traffic problem. They have a conversion problem. The thing that is actually preventing you from getting more customers isn't your ads, prices, or quality of traffic. It's because your landing page or website isn't optimized to convert the most traffic you're already getting into customers. But building a high converting landing page takes a ton of time, effort, and expertise. It isn't something you can do with no past experience. So instead of going through months or even years of trying to build a converting landing page or website yourself, you can work with me instead. Right now, I'm going to show you the exact optimized sale framework that we use and have used to boost multiple brands' website conversions by 10, 30, even up to 60%. And these are also the exact proven systems that we'll implement and use to optimize your site pages and funnel to achieve a 10% increase in conversions in just 20 days or less, guaranteed. First, I'm going to go over e-commerce systems, then I'm going to go over our non-e-commerce system after. For e-commerce, we use a 4-step process to ensure that your page is optimized to convert the maximum amount of traffic possible. Steps 1, 2, 3 include a complete redesign of your product pages, home page, and cart page. We use our tested improvement strategies to design these pages based around improving your add to carts, average order value, and lifetime value. After the redesign phase for those pages, we'll move on to step 4. The 4th step of the process consists of further A/B testing your site to analyze exactly what's working and what's not. Using the data that we collect and analyze from your page, we can completely optimize everything from your header to footer. That way we can achieve the most results possible in a predictive and timely manner. But what if you're a local business, B2B, or agency owner? For non-e-commerce businesses, we use a 2-step process of optimizing your product and home pages, then building out a funnel that seamlessly turns your traffic into clients and booked meetings. We specialize in building data-driven designs that actually convert. So you can be sure that every step of the funnel that we build on your page is there for one reason: to convert customers and clients. So let's say you do decide to work with us. What are some of the main benefits you'll see and what time frame? If you're currently running any ads or any kind of marketing for your business, having a high converting landing page or website is going to convert more of that traffic you're already getting into paying customers, meaning you'll instantly see a boost in revenue without spending any more on ads or doing any more marketing whatsoever. This is going to increase your profitability, bring you more leads and customers more predictably, all while helping you scale your business to new heights. And that's not even to talk about the other benefits, such as a huge increase in your customer lifetime value, average order value, email signups, and much, much more. Having high converting website pages is basically just going to make your entire business way more effective, way more profitable. But there's a lot of web design agencies out there, so why should you work with us? What makes us stand apart? At Convert Sale, we use our proven 2 to 4 step process of systematizing and optimizing your site pages and funnels to achieve 10% or more sales for your business in 20 days or less, guaranteed. We do all our design using our tested and data-driven strategies to improve your site's lifetime value, AOV, CVR, and much more. At Convert Sale, we also put our customers' revenue needs first, so our main focus is always on scaling to your individual needs. Unlike other web design agencies, we will identify and analyze your specific goals and create a growth game plan based around that. But don't just take my word for it. Take it from all the happy customers that we've worked with. For example, here's what Kevin had to say about us increasing his conversions and bringing him 3 new clients in the first 3 weeks of launching his site.
Hey, this is Kevin here. I am the co-founder of Nexacore IT Solutions. I recently engaged with Alex, hoping to revamp my landing page for our IT services. Overall, the experience has been absolutely great. Ever since we've set up that landing page, we've definitely found a increase on leads. We've actually had 3 potential customers come in already. And this has only been, over the course of 3 weeks.
Or Liran, an e-com brand owner whose brand Snagmela had a 60+% increase in site conversions within just 7 days of launching his store.
Hi, my name is Liran. I worked with Alex for about 1 month. He created a landing page for our website using Replo. I'm really satisfied that we chose him. All the work that he did, it's helped to our business. If you have any doubt, I really suggest you to work with him. Thank you very much, Alex.
Customer success is what our entire operation is based around. So you can be sure that we're the best partner to take your business to the next level. Now, I'm going to get into some frequently asked questions. First, what types of businesses do we work with? We primarily work with Shopify and e-commerce brands, local and digital service-based businesses, apps, and SaaS. Whether your brand is big or small, we provide the same level of service. Next, how long will your landing page or website take to build? Building a personalized lander or Shopify page will typically take anywhere from 7 to 10 days with an additional week for modifications after receiving your feedback on the initial stage. But if you want your entire Shopify store optimized and redesigned, this usually takes anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, but this timeline varies a lot based on your needs. Next, what else can you do to help my business once the landing page is done? On top of landing page design, web page design, we offer a suite of options to take your business to new heights, including ongoing CRO, SEO, plus email marketing to help boost your average order value and customer lifetime value. Now, lastly, how do we actually monitor and manage the data we use to do CRO on your page? We integrate all of the imperative analytics if you don't already have them set up already. This will give us all the info we need to do proper CRO on your website. So if you're a business owner looking to see results like these by building a high converting landing page or website, click the link below and book a free call with me. There I can answer any further questions you might have, analyze your current situation, and see if we would be a good fit to work together. And there's no obligation to work with us. This call is just to evaluate where you are currently and to see if partnering together would actually make sense for you. Worst comes to worst, we won't be a good fit, and I'll leave you with some actionable advice on how you can increase the conversions on your landing page or website. So that being said, if that all sounds interesting, go click the button below and book a call now. Cheers.